Hello everybody, Benedict again, simplybart Cape Town. Thank you once again for joining me today. I've got a really big canvas in front of me. It's a 24 by 33 inches or 60 by about 83 centimeters, or as we know it in South Africa, we just refer to these canvases as an A1 size. Now I've got two of these canvases and I was contemplating doing a swipe for you, but I thought I'm on a Dutch pour roll at the moment, and perhaps I'm going to first do a Dutch pour, and then on the second canvas I'm going to do a swipe. So my base coat is going to be white, and I'm going to be using Dala colors in a black. I'm going to use a gold, and then I'm going to use a mix of Prussian blue and Payne's grey. So I think that's nice. Those colors are very regal, and I love them on a white background. So we're going to see if we can fill up this canvas with a nice Dutch pour. But before we get to the painting, I wanted to show you a product that I purchased recently, and I thought it's so cute I have to show it to you. It's a 12 by 8 centimeters, or it's for an 8 centimeter coaster. So it's so cute. It's a mini turntable, and I thought it's perfect for, that's what it looks like. It would be perfect to spin coasters on. Look at that, it's so cute. Anyway, I'm going to be doing some coasters. I will put that in a video as well. So before we get to coasters and mini turntables, let's get to pouring. So I've mixed up some white paint. This is Dala's titanium white. I've mixed it up about 24 hours ago, and I'm going to be spreading that on the canvas, and I'll speed this part up because you don't have to watch me spread paint. So a nice even spread of the white, and then I'm going to lay the colors, and we're going to blow this one out. I always keep some paint in my container for touch-ups. All right, let's do this. I'm putting you on speed now. All right, base coat is laid down. I'm going to pick up a blob of paint right here, and I'm going to torch the canvas now. I'm struggling with my voice. I work as a trainer, and I speak for so many hours a day. So my voice, by the time I get home in the evening, my voice is so stretched. So I struggle with it. So please forgive me if I sound croaky on my videos. I try and put some music just to give my voice a rest. So thank you for being understanding and patient with me. All right. I see another blob of paint. Just lift that off. There we go. Okay. I have 4 colors that I'm going to lay down. So this is a paint that was drippings from another painting that I did. It's got some Prussian blue, lots of silver and white in here as well. This color is a Payne's Grey with Prussian blue. I'm going to be adding in some black and also some gold. So I'll start with the blue, the Prussian blue and Payne's Grey mix. Let's go this way. I want this color to be prominent in this painting, so I'm adding a few more lines. That's fine. Let me do those drips. Prussian blue and a whole lot of white. Then I'm going to add just a hint of black. I love these colors together. And some gold. All right. Ooh. I'm going to give that a quick torch as well. Let's blow this one out. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so beautiful. All right, before I give it a final torch, I'm just going to blow a few parts with my mouth. Right over here, I want to stretch that one out a little bit. And then I'm going to just blow that edge over there. I think this painting needs nothing else, just that 2 blowouts. And then I'm going to give it a final torch and I'm going to bring you down for your close-up. I'm so excited to show you this painting. So let me do that and then I'll bring you down for your close-up.